For more than a decade, many organised crime syndicates have been dark. They have been using end-to-end encryption communication platforms involving specially customised phones. That means their messages are scrambled when sent and unscrambled when the receiver opens them. This has drawn criminals to these platforms, giving them confidence to plot their crimes without law enforcement intercepting their messages. In 2018, a couple of clever Australian Federal Police investigators and analysts met with the FBI to hatch an extraordinary plan to snare the big fish of organised crime by introducing their own platform covertly into the criminal market, preventing illicit drugs and guns from flooding Australia and other countries. The AFP built a capability allowing law enforcement to access, decrypt and read communications between the customised phones on the platform. We provided technical magic that has never been done by law enforcement before. This sparked the beginning of Special Operation Ironside. The customised phones were used by alleged senior crime figures, which gave other criminals the confidence to use the platform so they could avoid being nabbed by police. You had to know a criminal to get hold of one of these customised phones. The phones couldn't ring or email, it could only communicate with someone on the same platform. Special Operation Ironside has allowed the AFP to intercept tons of drugs and weapons bound for Australia and has prevented people being killed. For almost 3 years, the AFP has been sitting in the back pocket of criminals. They had no idea why their drugs were being seized and their plots foiled. During overt activity in June 2021, about 4,000 AFP and state and territory police conducted hundreds of search warrants and hundreds of arrests. This has enabled the AFP and its partners to arrest and charge some of Australia's most wanted criminals. For a long time, some of these criminals seemed untouchable, but the communications on these devices has given the AFP and others the evidence to charge alleged offenders.